It's the day after, September 12th. Think back. Do you remember where you were on September 11th? You're certainly going to remember the day after, where we were all still reeling. The moon's in Sag, the sun's in Virgo. Not a comfortable day. They're squaring. We still have this movement with Venus is in Scorpio and Saturn's in Scorpio. There is a deep calling for all of us in the name of this very vulnerable time in history, the day after 9/11, the question mark about what we're doing with Syria, the amount of pressure. That's just one conversation. Everywhere we look at our economy, at our environment, there's fear, even with our children, with our home life. And with the moon in Sag, which is my favorite flavor, we can uplift our energy, we can turn it into a positive, we can reframe the whole thing by saying everything is nothing and nothing is everything. It's one of my favorite lines of Sagittarius. And I invite you to realize that your role in this life, you have the means with just your inner world and just the mechanisms of your thought process to make a difference. How you think about your spouse, how you think about your work, how you take care of your body, that's the powerful doorway you have to make a difference on this planet. So it's the day after. It's your turn now. What can you do to lift the energy up? It's in Sag. Go have a party.